Hello everyone, welcome back to Usermaven. Today we're back with another quick walkthrough, and this time we're diving into one of our most powerful attribution features, conversion paths. So let's get started. At the top, you can select the conversion goal you want to analyze. In this example, we're looking at orders received, but you can switch this to signups, demo bookings, purchases, or any custom conversion goal you've defined. You can also switch between unique and total conversions. Unique counts one conversion per user. Total includes repeat conversions from the same user. Usermaven gives you full control over your attribution window. You can adjust the look-back window to include more or less historical touchpoints. Set the conversion period to analyze a specific time frame. Now let's understand the conversion paths. Each arrow represents a touchpoint in the user journey. For example, direct means the user converted in a single session. Direct times 2 means the user returned multiple times before converting. Longer paths show realistic journeys. You'll also see percentage labels showing the contribution of each touchpoint, the total number of conversions for each path, and the conversion value on the right. Now let's filter paths using search. Let's say we want to focus on a specific channel, for example, paid search. Using the search bar, simply type paid search. Usermaven will instantly show you only those conversion paths that include paid search, allowing you to see how paid search contributes across the funnel. If you click on any conversion path, you can drill down even further. Usermaven shows you the list of users who converted through that exact path, their contact details, and deeper behavioral insights. You can also toggle between channel and source views. From here, you can also schedule and send reports directly, so key stakeholders receive conversion path insights automatically. And if your traffic doesn't fit into default channel definitions, you can create custom channel mappings to include and group traffic sources exactly the way your business operates. If you want to see how your own users are converting across channels, jump into your Usermaven dashboard and explore conversion paths today. And if you're not using Usermaven yet, book a demo with us and see how multi-touch attribution should actually work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Usermaven walkthrough.